Hi, I'm Bill Garvin. Thanks for joining me for another Durkee instructional video. Durkee Hooping Pro Project Station Board. As the name implies, this is for your specialty projects as far as your caps, the back of caps, sleeves, pants legs, onesies, tote bags, purses, your specialty products that you have a hard time hooping. What it comes with is 6 brass bumper stops, 2 backing holders, and 2 freedom ring holders. Also included with this unit is 2 stabilizing legs that can be adjusted front to back. The reason for these legs is because this is made so narrow is to make it more stable for the hooping process. It needs to be this narrow because of our specialty products that we will be hooping on this device. Now we're going to hoop a common project in our industry, the back of caps, using our station. Okay. I'm going to start by building my fixture. For this, in the back of hats, I usually use my 12 centimeter hoop. So I'm going to put it in position of where I would like it to be. I'm going to take my brass bumper stops and put them at the bottom to start and get it close to center. It's pretty easy considering how narrow the board is. Take my 2 for the top, bring those in to hold it into place. Tighten them down. And then bring my backing holder down as well. And as you can see, once again, in less than 90 seconds, we have built a complete fixture for this device. From there, I'm going to take my backing. I'm going to slide it in under the backing stabilizer holder. In this scenario, because we're doing the back of a cap, it's not being slid over the board, it's simply being pulled down into place. Position it where we want it. Now, if you also notice, I have my fixture located towards the end of the table. This way it allows the hat to hang for me to be able to grab around it to do the hooping. And always make sure of which direction your hoop is turned, as the back of hats are normally sewed at 180 degrees on your machine. From there, I'm going to position, pull out any slack that I have in my hat. Remember a position, make sure I get it straight. And then from there, press to hoop. And from there, we are now ready to sew the back of that hat on your commercial embroidery machine. Okay, with our fixture already built and in place for our Durkee bi-directional hoop, this is the 30 by 10, I'm going to demonstrate how easily you can hoop the pants legs of a pair of jeans for embroidery. Now, we're going to start by putting our hoop in place. Okay. We're going to take our backing stabilizer. If you notice, we have our stabilizer holder in place. Now I'm going to go one step further here, and what I'm going to do is lock that stabilizer all the way down. Remember, everything is adjustable on this unit to make every job easier for you to do. What this does is holds that backing as I slide the jeans on so the backing doesn't move out of position. So from there, I'm going to grab my pants leg. I'm going to be embroidering right on the seam, so we're going to slide it all the way in to position of where we want to hoop at. Nice and straight. I'm going to take my 30 by 10 inner hoop, position the top in to where I want it to embroider. Now from there, instead of pressing completely down on the hoop, I can grab the ends of the hoop and just squeeze together. Now that hoop is ready to embroider on the pant leg. Like the pants leg, what I'm going to do now is show you how to hoop the sleeve of a sweatshirt. Keep in mind we're using the exact same fixture, the exact same 10 by 30 bi-directional hoop. Okay. Once again, I'm going to take my backing stabilizer, insert it underneath the holder. Again, the little trick here is to tighten it all the way down, so as I slide on the sweatshirt sleeve, it doesn't bunch up or come out of the hoop on me. Now the trick we have to do with this is on most sweatshirts, the cuff is too narrow to get over top of your hooping devices. So what we're doing here is we are actually hooping through the neckline of the shirt, sliding it into place, positioning it where we want it to go. Taking our hoop, again, I push in the top, take out any slack into the hoop, grab the bottom, top, and squeeze. And once again, we're now ready to embroider the sleeve of that sweatshirt.